Welcome to Homemaking with Mima. My name is Wendy, and in today's video I'm going to be bringing you two more meals that each will cost under $10 to make. And I'm going to bring you along with me. For the taco soup meal, you're going to use that frozen ground turkey meat again, $2.32. Greater value taco seasoning, 47 cents. Greater value diced tomatoes with green chilies, 96 cents. Greater value canned chicken broth, 76 cents. Greater value black beans, canned, 86 cents. Greater value canned corn, 64 cents. Greater value tortilla chips, $1.98, and greater value mandarin oranges canned, $1.34. And the tortilla chips you can use to crush up like a cracker, or you can use crackers that you have on hand, but I think a lot of people just use like a tortilla chip. And that total comes to $9.33, under $10. And my state does not tax food, so I wanted to make sure I pointed that out. Okay, and this meal is a chicken noodle soup meal using canned chicken, and it can be done. Your greater value canned chicken, I can't remember the ounces that are on there, but it is a larger can, $2.78. Greater value fettuccine noodles as your noodle, 98 cents. And you just break them up and use them just like you would for chicken noodle soup. Greater value chicken broth, $1.98. Oyster crackers instead of regular saltine crackers, $1.37. Greater value cream of chicken soup, 68 cents. And that will make your soup just a little bit thicker. It just gives it more flavor as well. And greater value pear halves, $1.48. That total comes to $9.27, under $10. I want to thank you folks for joining me today. And I hope this was helpful to just even one person out there. I know it was just me compiling the information. It wasn't like I was going out and actually purchasing in that. But these meals I actually do make myself. So it actually benefited me too, because now I'm seeing what the prices, how they've changed in that. So again, I hope it was helpful. If you like this kind of content, please give it a thumbs up, share with family and friends, subscribe to the channel, and I want you folks to make it a really great day.